Hey, guys, what's going on? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your disabled iPhone when iPhone is disabled. Try again in X minutes or connect to iTunes appear on your screen. That's because of too many wrong attempts and thus it's disabled. Don't worry, there are two easy ways for those who've forgotten their passcodes and want to wipe their iPhone clean. The first one is iPhone Unlocker, which is powerful and efficient for novices to fix their iPhone easily. To get started, you need to prepare a downloaded iPhone Unlocker. The link is here under the video. Take it to bypass your iPhone, a USB cable. To connect your locked iPhone with a computer with iTunes. Okay, everything is ready. Here comes the 4-step tutorial of using iPhone Unlocker to reset your disabled iPhone. It won't be long that you can get into it again. Step 1. Launch iPhone Unlocker. First, enter appgeeker.com on Google to open a new page. Then click iPhone/iPad Unlocker products. After entering a new page, select More Trail to open iPhone Unlocker. Second, connect your iPhone, or iPad, iPod, to the computer via a USB cable. Third, select Wipe Passcode. Click the Start button and move to the next step. Then follow the on-screen directions to place the phone into recovery mode. Step 2. Confirm your device information. Confirm your device information, followed by Start button. Step 3. Download firmware package. Then, the program will start downloading firmware package. You have to wait for a short bit. When the firmware package has been downloaded, click Unlock on the window to go on. Next, you'll have a screen like this. Read the precautions and then enter 0000 to confirm unlocking. Step 4. Begin unlocking passcode. Now, press the Unlock button. The utility will start removing the forgotten passcode and reset the device. The process may take a while. Be patient. You have erased your device successfully when it loaded to 100%. Maybe some iPhone owners can't get bypass their disabled iPhone by using iPhone Unlocker. So here comes the other one to hard reset your disabled iPhone through a Mac with Finder. Also, you need to prepare a Mac. Make sure this one has a Finder on it, a USB cable, to make a connection your disabled iPhone with the Mac. Step 1. Get into recovery mode. The very first step is to connect your iPhone with your computer and open Finder on Mac. Then enter your iPhone 8 into recovery mode. The method for iPhone 8 to enter recovery mode will be shown step by step. Follow the instructions one by one. First, keep pressing and holding the side button and the volume down button, waiting until the slider to appear. Then drag the slide to turn off your iPhone. Second, keep holding the side button until the recovery screen appears. Step 2. Choose the option to restore. Follow the instructions and click Restore. Wait for a moment. When the Restore and Update pop up, click it. Then let's get into the next step. Step 3. Download the software to restore. First, read the precautions carefully and click Next to continue. Then, read the attentions. If you agree with these items, click Agree to go on. Now the Finder is downloading the software to restore your iPhone. The whole process may take quite of time. Just waiting until it's over. Step 4. Begin restoring your iPhone. After downloading the software, the Finder will start restoring the iPhone and remove the passcode. It also needs time. Please wait until the restore process finishes. Now you can see a box written your iPhone has been restored to factory resettings. At the top of the screen, click OK to end the restoring process. Now your iPhone has been restored. You can use it again. If you guys have any other questions or anything like this, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button to get much more detail on erasing an iPhone and to get more practical techniques of iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.